All right, here we are in our lounge area, or otherwise the dining or the lunch area. There are two swivel seats in the front that you can turn around completely. There's a lever on the side of the seat. Pull the lever while you push the seat completely to the front. Make sure you do this, otherwise you will touch the handbrake and the handbrake can break. Then, while you turn the seats, make sure you hear the click and then turn them until they are facing forwards. There's the dining table in the middle. The dining table can be adjusted to more to the front or more to the back. There's also a little table underneath that you can fold out so it turns into one longer table. Pull the knob below the table until you hear a click and then push it until it completely turns around. The table can also be stored away. If the table takes in too much space, you can unfold it and put it in the storage above the seats in the front.